Look at this. Like the whole thing doesn't even make sense. You see? So I'll be unboxing the second package that we got from DHGate. Remember, the first one was a failure and a total loss. So let's go ahead and unbox the second package that we got from DHGate. Shall get our pair of scissors right here, and we open this bad boy like this. Remember, the first one was a total loss, so let's hope that we have something good in here. Yeah, hopefully we find something reasonable than the first piece of shit that we got from the first package that we just unboxed. So even before I can pull out the shoes from this package, the smell alone tells me that we shall be expecting another pair of bullshit. But hey, this was a test purchase, so let's go ahead and pull out the shoes and see how they are. Still smells like a factory. These ones look, at least these ones look clean down. But if you're to ask me the quality, I would say that this is still no leather. It's some, I don't know, it's synthetic, whatever. I don't know how I can call this, but these are not Travis Scott's, because it shows that they're Travis, but then this is some kind of bullshit. These are fragment ones, but these are not Travis Scott's. Still, the quality is so bad that they can't be sold at Walmart. You see? These are not Travis Scott's. Nah, these are not Travis Scott's. Surprisingly, these are like better than the first pair that we just unboxed, but then these are still fake as fuck. And this is for you that were still thinking about buying sneakers from DHGate. My observation is, don't buy sneakers from DHGate. If there is any other place that you can buy good quality sneakers like Stock X, GOAT, or maybe if you can wait for the drops on sneakers, go ahead and wait for the drops on sneakers, or maybe anywhere that you think that you can get good quality pair of sneakers. But if you decide to go to DHGate, this is the piece of shit that you'll be receiving in your mail. Is it really worth it to buy sneakers from DHGate? My conclusion is it's not worth it. And wait, the first one they gave us a pair of socks which were fake Nikes and a fake Stock X tag. So let's see if we can get the same in this one, right? It's still, that's what they gave us. Extra laces, and they also come with a pair of fake Nike socks. Can you look at that? Like, so fake that they cannot even be sold in third world countries. That was my whole point. So fake that they can't even be sold at Walmart. And lastly, they come with the fake Stock X verification tags. Look at this. Look at this. They come with the fake Stock X verification tags with even a QR code. Nah, these people are smart. This is the extra stuff they send you. They go ahead and send you some more stuff from Stock X. But this is literally from DHGate. So for all of you who are still thinking of going to DHGate and buying your sneakers from there, I promise you it's not worth it. Otherwise, you also end up buying and receiving this kind of shit in your mail. It's not worth it. All the two pairs were total crap. And so I advise you guys not to risk your hard-earned money to go and buy fake sneakers from DHGate. But if you think that they don't have any problem wearing these ones, leave a comment below and I can ship it to you and you can rock them. If you don't have any problem rocking these specs, you can leave a comment below and I'll ship this direct to you. So guys, finally we shall be unboxing a pair that we got from Stock X. Here it is, the pair that we got from Stock X. As you can see, the first green flag is the boxing and the packaging. This is how a sneaker is supposed to be packaged. Look at it, look at it. And then you have another piece of shit that came like this. Like this is a green flag, and then look at this walking red flag. Look at it. So first of all, even when it comes to packaging, there is no way that you can compare this piece of shit and this kind of boxing. So without wasting any time, let's go ahead and unbox our pair of sneakers that we got from Stock X. Here it is. We shall get our pair of scissors. And look at the box. You see? You see? This is how it looks. And look at the material. This is leather. You see? Right here. See right here? You see? And this is a size 11. See? So this is the pair that we got from Stock X. This is the legit and authentic pair of Jordans that we were expecting, because if you're to compare this and this, look at the stitch, and look at the quality. Like, look at this kind of material. Like, you see? Just look at this. Look at this. Like, the whole thing doesn't even make sense. You see? So this is the kind of shit that you receive from DHGate, and this is the shoe that you receive from Stock X. Or maybe even if you went to GOAT and bought your stuff from GOAT, or maybe even if you waited for a drop on sneakers, this is what you'll get. This is what you'll get. You see? You see the stitching? Look at that. And then compare it with this piece of shit. I think you can see a big difference. Look at the sole. Look at this plastic piece of shit. Look at it. And compare it with this one. Look at the stitching right here. So guys, this is all for today. I just made this video to help those that were about to risk their hard-earned money to go and buy sneakers on DHGate and to be finessed. So before you decide to go to DHGate to purchase your sneakers from there because you want to buy replicas and because they're cheaper than the genuine pair of sneakers, think twice. You either buy genuine ones that are more expensive, or you go and buy fake ones that are cheaper and get finessed and receive this kind of piece of shit from there. Think twice. So my conclusion today is that stop buying sneakers from DHGate. If not, this is the kind of shit that you'll be receiving. Is it worth it? No. Hope you learned something from today's video, and still saying stop buying stuff from DHGate, because this is what you'll be receiving. So guys, that was all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.